Oh yeah, come on, come on. Oh, crikey. Good day, mate. Happy Easter. Welcome back to Brick2 Buddies. Today I will show you how to build the Easter Bunny from Rise of the Guardians. I used the head from the Gray Rocket Raccoon minifigure. I also gave him a gray torso. I gave him some light blue arms and some gray hands. I gave him a sand blue hip piece and some gray legs. And his accessory, of course, is a boomerang. That concludes this week's video, but don't forget to subscribe so you can see how to build the other members of the Guardians.